Hi friends, welcome to my channel Informatica by Pujita. So friends, today we are going to see India's facts, top 23 interesting facts about India. So let's get into the topic. Number 1. A floating post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar was inaugurated in August 2011. Number 2. Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. In 2011, Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. Number 3. The wettest inhabited place in the world. Masinram, a village on the Kashi Hills, Meghalaya, receives the highest recorded average rainfall in the world. Cherrapunji is also a part of Meghalaya, holds the record for the most rainfall in the year of 1861. Number 4. Bandra Worli ceiling has steel wires equal to Earth's circumference. It took a total of 2 crore 57 lakh man hours for completion and also weighs as much as 50,000 African elephants. A true engineering and architectural marvel. Number 5. Highest cricket ground in the world. At an altitude of 2,444 meters, the Chail Cricket Ground in Chail, Himachal Pradesh is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893 and is a part of Chail Military School. Number 6. Shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was invented in India, not the commercial liquid ones, but the method used by herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word champu, which means to massage. Number 7. The Indian national Kabaddi team has won all World Cups. India has won all 5 men's Kabaddi World Cups held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The Indian women's team has also won all Kabaddi World Cups held till date. Number 8. Water on the moon was discovered by India. In September 2009, India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1, using its moon mineralogy mapper, detected water on the moon for the first time. Number 9. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam sir. The father of India's missile program had visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26th as Science Day. Number 10. India's first president only took 50% of his salary. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed the President of India, he only took 50% of his salary, claiming he did not require more than that. Towards the end of his 12-year tenure, he only took 25% of his salary. The salary of the president was 10,000 rupees back at that time. Number 11. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. The first rocket was so light and small, it was transported on a bicycle to the Tumba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Number 12. India has a spa just for elephants. Elephants receive baths, massages and even food at the Punnathur Kotta Elephant Yard Rejuvenation Center in Kerala. Now that's a big step for the country. Number 13. India is the world's second largest English speaking country. India is second only to the USA when it comes to speaking English, with around 125 million people speaking the language, which is only 10% of our population. This is expected to grow by quite a margin in the upcoming years. Number 14. Largest number of vegetarians in the world. It because of religious reasons or personal choices or both. Around 20 to 40% of Indians are vegetarians, making it the largest vegetarian friendly country in the world. Number 15. The world's largest producer of milk. India recently overtook the European Union with production reaching over 132.4 million tons in 2014. Number 16. The first country to consume sugar. India was the first country to develop extraction and purifying techniques of sugar. Many visitors from abroad learnt the refining and cultivation of sugar from us. Number 17. Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the national anthem for Bangladesh. Rabindranath Tagore is credited not only for writing the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana, but the Bangladeshi national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla as well. He was also offered knighthood by the British but refused the honor after the Jallianwala Bagh. Number 18. Dhyan Chand was offered German citizenship. After defeating Germany 8-1 in the 1936 Berlin Olympics, Major Dhyan Chand, the wizard of hockey, was summoned by Hitler. He was promised German citizenship, a high post in the German military, and the chance to play for the German national side. Dhyan Chand, however, declined the offer. Number 19. Astronaut Rakesh Sharma said India looks Sare Jahan Se Acha from space. Former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked the first Indian in space, Rakesh Sharma, about how India looked from space. His response was our famous patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha. Number 20. Diamonds were first mined in India. Initially, diamonds were only found in the alluvial deposits in Guntur and Krishna district of the Krishna River Delta. Until diamonds were found in Brazil during the 18th century, India led the world in diamond production. Number 21. A special polling station is set up for a lone voter in the middle of Gir forest. Mahant Bharat Das Darshan Das has been voting since 2004, and during every election since then, a special polling booth is set up exclusively for him, as he is the only voter from Banes in Gir forest. Last but not least, here comes the fact about snake and ladders. It was originated in India, earlier known as Moksha Patamu. The game was initially invented as a moral lesson about karma to be taught to children. It was later commercialized and has become one of the most popular board games in the world. So that's it, friends, for this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and comment it which fact is more interesting for you. So we will meet with an interesting topic in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.